What better way to get this shit show kicked off than a test your strength challenge? So we're going to see if the penetrating oil had its opportunity to dig right into those threads and loosen this thing up. And we're going to try with just a little ratchet and see what happens. So, oh fuck! That's exactly what I didn't want to happen. And just for your enjoyment, that's my finger being all kinds of pinched in. But the good news is the penetrating oil worked. Sort of. Fuck me, that hurt. You know what? Let's go ahead and put an extension on this. Wherever the fuck it went. Ah, there it is. Oh, that feels like it's going to be bloody. It's going to be a bloody mess. Hey, look at that. It's not supposed to make that noise, I don't think. Hey, there we go. All right, now to take a look at the wound. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, where are you at? Where's that camera? Wound number 4 or 5 to this hand. Love it. Oh, that fucking hurts. Well, I sit here and contemplate all of life's poor choices that I've made, including not using the extension on that ratchet and beating the crap out of my finger. We're going to once again go through what I'm going to try and accomplish today. So, wiring harness needs to be disconnected. Going to try and remove, well, have to remove the power steering pump. Looking at disconnecting the engine from the transmission and going from there. With any luck, we will begin pulling this engine out tonight. Ooh, doggy, look at all them pieces parts. This guy right here was the hardest to take out. This is not a one-man job. I'm about to make it a one-man job. This guy, it's got to come off. Hope it's not heavy. Also, I hope I don't die. Oh, Cat 5 Ethernet cable. You give me internet, you keep a hood from falling on my head. Eh? Also going to take a moment to say I am going through gloves like copy paper. So, yeah. Now, admittedly, taking the hood off probably could have been the first step that I did. Seeing as I'm taking the engine out. Because, I mean, look at all this room for activities. I can actually see in the engine bay now. Yeah, you guys don't want to know this. I've been, you know, doing the old-fashioned hold a flashlight in the mouth trick, and hopefully I haven't swallowed like power steering fluid or anything like that. Oh, crikey. Here we have a starter in its natural habitat. And as we pan out, we have everything that's got in it. I don't know how I'm going to get that fucking thing out of there. Alright, we're at the end of night, whatever this is, embracing the big sexy look. For more tips on how to pull off this drip, follow my other channel, which I haven't built yet. Engine bay is pretty much empty. We're almost there. Got to pull the starter off. Again, I don't know how the fuck I'm going to do that. Pull apart the bell housing, and then detach the torque converter, and then I'm pretty sure we're okay. I'm pretty sure we're set. So tomorrow, I'm not gonna say tomorrow, because every time I set a timeline for myself, I fuck it up royally. So sometime this week, sometime in September, sometime this year.